Hi, my name is Brandon, and on today's edition of 30 on 3D, I'm going to be showing you how to use the new labeling feature in GrabCAD Print Pro.
Alright, so in this section we're going to be showcasing how to use the label feature in GrabCAD Print Pro. So here we have just a basic block on the F900 tray. There's no labels or text or anything on that right now. But with the label feature, you can actually add text to the STL file directly, as opposed to having to go back to the original CAD file and adding it in through there and re-exporting it as an STL. So to do that, you can right click anywhere on the body, you click add label to the body, and then from here you have basically a label selection. And once you choose a location, you can choose any face, basically top face, choose a side face, the right face. You can even go to the bottom, but for now we're just going to choose the top face. Just select the general location for it, and you're going to see this pop up. Here you're going to be able to type in any text that you want. So let's just call it fixture V1, and you have options to deboss, emboss. You have text size, letter padding, which is just space between the letters, and you have the depth. And if you go ahead and click save, you'll notice that you get an update saying the model geometry is out of date. And if you go ahead and click update, you now have a successfully updated model with the label right on the part itself, and it is ready for printing.
Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in a 60-day free trial of GrabCAD Print Pro, please give us a call or visit our website.